Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are well, inshallah. Okay, dear all. Our lesson is subtraction. Okay, so this work also you complete in the book only. No need to copy because more exercise now I am giving, so better you should complete in the book only. No need to complete any word till I am not telling. You should complete in the book. First we have to complete book, then inshallah I will give the revision work. Okay, I hope you understand and easy for you also. So this is the subtraction with the regrouping. So subtraction one digit number from a two digit number. Dear student, the method is same, like you should start from the ones place, finish 10 place. Okay, same method, but what you will do, just subtract. Like if your parents giving to you 10 real and you want to give your younger sister or brother 2 real, so you are take out from the 10 real 2 real you are taking, so whatever real you have left, that is subtraction. Okay, so here is the some examples are given. So see here is the borrowing. See, before we did the simple method, ones tens, okay, but simple. For example, 6 minus 2, so after 2 till 6 you count. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much your finger? Yes, 4. But you know, in addition we use carry and we editing the carry, but in the subtraction we are taking borrowing. You know borrowing what? Sometime you forget like water and you will ask your friend to give me water, request. So in the maths, borrowing means you are taking something like pencil, maybe real, maybe copy. If you lost or you forget your pencil at home, you will say your friend, please, if you have 2 pencil, can you give me one? Then I will return it to you tomorrow. This is means you are returning. So this is called borrowing. You are taking from your friends. So it is called borrowing. Okay. Whatever you are taking for some time, for that time, like maybe the copy is 5 real, then you bring 4 real. So if your money is not completed, then you can't able to take the book and copy. If you go to anywhere to give the 4 real, they will not accept. They will say, give me 5 real, then I will give to you copy. So you check here and there. Then if your any friend is there, then you will go and say, please, can you give me 1 real? Further, for the some time you are taking the money from your friends and after day you are giving. So whatever you are taking that money, you are borrowing from your friend. Your friend will help you. Okay, if you go 5 real shop, the 5 real shop, it's written, if you are taking 3 real or 4 real and entering and taking something, he will allow to give? No, never. He will say, it's already written 5 real, you should go and bring the full amount. So main concern, you are taking your friend, that is called borrowing. Okay, a box of chalk has 30 pieces? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 means this is the chalk box, but inside all means total 30 pieces. 7 pieces of chalk were used in one day. How many pieces are left in the box? See, 30 minus 7. So write the number 1 below. The order other according to the place value. See, place value I told you now, ones and tens. So first you will write here in 0 place ones, then 3 place tens, T O N T. Here it will come only ones place. So see, according to that, first you write O, then T. Then which one is coming? Check here, O plus O number means 0. T plus T number means 3. Then here O plus O 7. So 0 is the small number compared to 7. So we cannot, if you have less amount of money, then you won't take out big amount. It's not possible. So we are taking from the next number borrowing. We are using this method borrowing. Okay. So we are taking, here is the 3. So just we are taking 1 here. So what the number is left? Yes, 2. And here 1, 0, 10. So now 10 minus 7. So after 7 till 10 count. After 7, 8, 9, 10. What the answer is coming here? 3. So here is the 2 number, because the tens place down second number is not there. That's why we are using same number. And please student, see what we are doing, the common mistake. We are writing here 0, 7. If the 7 is up and 0 is down, you should write same number. Okay. If the 7 is up and 0 is down, you will write same number. But if the 0 is up and 7 is down, means here is the number is there. So you should take borrowing. So the sum is wrong. Okay. Here also wrong. Why it is wrong? Can you tell me? Because you are taking borrowing correct method, but you are writing 7 same number. So that's why it is wrong. Here is the correct, because you are taking borrowing here 10. 10 minus 7, 3. Here same number is coming 2, because here no number. So just remember this and read it. And come to the second page. The method are same. Okay. Don't forget the place value. It is so important. Whatever number, and please, which number is big, write up, and which number is small, write down, with whether it is 2-digit number or 1-digit. Which number is big, you should write up, and which number is small, write down. Here is up 2-digit, down only 1-digit. Here see, here is the 2-digit up and down. Understand? See, 42 here and 15 here. So that concept if you got, and please read again and again this method. Okay dear all, then easy for you. Come to the third. Okay, same. See, here is the 20 minus 6. Better you will, after 6 till count 20. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So how much is left? Yes, 14. Okay, here already 20 circles are given. So this is 20. We just cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circle. Then remaining you count. The answer is coming 14. Here we are using the borrowing because 0 up and 2 down. So here is the chance to take borrowing. So we are taking here again 1 0 10. 10 minus 2. Yes, after 2 till 10. After 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So how many fingers? Yes, 8 fingers. Here already we are taking borrowing here. So here are the 2 numbers. So 2 minus 1 1. Here 30 hearts is there. Just cut the 12 hearts and whatever remaining right here. Same method here also. Okay dear all, and downside also. So please, possible here is the subtraction is written, but you will write here tens ones with the dark color pencil. Okay, now you to come to the next page. Same method, same thing. Okay, subtractions with 0 and 1 in the ones place. See, subtraction in the ones place means here 1, here 1, 0 means here 0. So same method in the ones place. 1 is ones place, ones is ones place, tens. So please, here also you will, whenever you starting in the book, please write with the color pencil first ones, tens, then it easy for you. Okay, same method you should follow. I think you understand. Okay dear all, if any mistake in this sum, please excuse. Okay, because it's 2018 book. Okay dear all, take care. Thank you so much for joining me, and please try to understand the maths. You cannot just keep I will do, oh I know very well. No, you should confident and you just think inshallah I will do anytime this. Okay, so do the more practice. If you doing the more practice in the maths, you will inshallah perfect. Okay, and thank you so much. Again I am request to you, this all work complete in the maths book. No, don't touch maths copy. Okay dear all, thank you so much. Stay at home, healthy, happy. Bye. Take care.